Originally introduced in 1964, the Porsche 911 would soon become the legend it is today. In 1968, the 911e became the first fuel-injected 911. It foreshadowed the future of Porsche. Debuting just a year before in 1967 was Porsche's innovative Targa design. The Targa top and fuel-injected engine made the 911e Targa one of Porsche's most significant models, implying the future not only of Porsche's fuel-injected flat-six engines, but also the 911 series' diverse body styles. This iconic 1969 911e Targa is Porsche Tucson's current entry into the 2022 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. This 911 will be painstakingly restored using genuine OEM Porsche parts. The team will have their hands full restoring this iconic piece of history. Follow along on social media as we transform the 1969 Porsche 911e Targa into a piece of moving art.